Hey guys, in this video we shall discuss time shift. Time shift are also called as time invariant property of system. Okay, consider that we have a system which does some transformation to the input x of t and gives a system is said to be time invariant if the shift in the input signal should give corresponding shift across the output signal. Okay, let me convince you graphically. Say I have a system T and input to this system is a rectangular pulse 0 to some value t, and it transforms this rectangular pulse to a triangular pulse 0 to t. Okay, this is x of t and this is y of t. Now if this system is said to be time invariant if what I do, I shift this rectangular pulse right t naught times. Okay, I'm shifting the same signal to the same system. I'm shifting this signal to the same system t, and the output from this system should be what? Should be a rectangular pulse, but it has to be shifted t naught times. Something like this, t naught times. For example, if t naught is 10, here also the output should be also shifted right 10 times. If I shifted the input signal 10 times and the output signal is shifted say 12 times or 10 times, other than 10 times, then the system is time varying. Okay, so let me define it again. For every shifted version of the input signal should result in corresponding shift across the output signal, then the system is called as time invariant system.